Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwono Holding there with Oba Market women. You remember say some months ago, when fire enter Oba Market, Godwin Obaseki, the Edo State governor, come promise the market women money, say go give them money, make the take start up their business again. That money we promise them, he don't give them the money. But the problem now, the reason why they gather for here today, they said Iyeki for Oba Market there, now receive the money instead of the woman to give them the money where Obaseki promised them. The woman decide to cut the money into two. Instead of giving somebody 250,000 naira, the woman decide to give the person 100,000 naira. The remaining 150,000 naira, where that one go? You see, say Nigeria, it go hard, it go dey very difficult before we solve that problem of that country. This one, wait, the woman wait do this one, no be government o, it no dey government. Make I leave you, make you hear from these people we gather here today. Enjoy the video.
I lost over 6 million naira. Ona dogwe ibi me kwa gafie kwa yeboki ameve ijo bonokeke yega we ni mana we baba wese ona gwe agi ungima e mana wo ma ige ejemisi ije na ke ogeke oba otima we na dogbe neni mana gele ya gbe neni agi be gbe neni ne de ona we gbe do fie form o mere ogweni ma do file egbe alone no a government can alone ni ma igi trust in oro a government can high e mana we when ma fe picture that fi mare voters card e picture ma BVN number account number e mana gele do gbe ne ya fe na fi picture e guarantors number mana fi ya na fi o we o gbe wa ri we ni ya ne fe ori sere ni a e ma no fi lebe eni mari ladian eni obe maki ho webe ani ye kesun agbe ni geje mi si igije neki ona ka mi magwe wage to ogejo wage zo ogege be mi edima ru dagwe akaya tota idade shedi e ba ni ya na ri isu e cheki no ma e ma na we ri ono adana we do se bojo omo no ga zo ogege be edima eri anya mi egwe mahia mana aka egwe o gele pu ma di store we ni agele doge ma ya no nya store e ma le mi egele ugbe wagi do mi eni agwe orije we ni ana ni a digo gi latia emi o me magi ho e ma ni bu no gbene ni amagi mi eni gi tie pe mana le do ho we ona de 300,000 de beso or 250 de beso or 30,000 or de beso 50,000 oh no we 50,000 the young guy say back here ka mi agwe 40,000 go we ije neki o we na bi oni hin so mama keri ma say no mama mi go ye emi ro paro mama mi go ye seki baba nu lo mi ma fi
okay wamoja mama no imala
okay my Princess Rosemary Osagi
okay Princess Rosemary even what time is that the win ari nu wa ogele ni wa ni Oma governor area ni gore e mana gbe nsi ebute anu na wamudia
ejemisi omerege ijeneki yes
iyanari gugwa ya
olia anadoa kama ni no do amigo ki abaje nemie
amaga go ni
wewe ni hunu kana otani brodara no ba
mujane
otani brodara no ba hunu we to bo me hunu we tana okay ego eki tawin ya ujo bo ni ma okikiri ordinary whole la jana ya bujobo iwo ni no riere o ma we ni na ma we ni na ma we ni na ya be budu ka we ge ni ya we won tana
300 ma o ge oya go na ma ne kebe ma vere ma il faut que lo ko vere ma na e so ni bo vere ma na e yi go ne go no ki gbogbo me ro o tu ko ya kin won etela ya ro
wa ge mejo wa ge koko ta en we ki gien mi ya no ro ba ni o gien
so every ya no ge afefe e go no na mu igore iko ne go no mu re ni na ma ma e uta tin azupu ma owa ori re ge ma ya ge igore ye no mo do re form le form na e go no ori form na re ge aga file a governors or pay go na ya so ni mane mana ya go go they don't even know aga be male so na we here ma so na ya gbe yo officer ga ejemisi na ti ejeki I ya gbe yo ni a ona we low form from a trust fund bank ana ya gbe yo so e ga na ya ho gbe igo re ni o me papa na ti auction oro 300,000 oh you go no here ga na that dog ona to gbe kiyan kine office ba no secretary ba na re le ona yin e me na come eyin ni you go na talk bank that 4+1 no talk ba so you go na talk ba me ka office ye me see be there o ko na fe be office ma na ga ro bi yan e so na le office re so e kedi ki mo na le o pe ye me see ke be e ma no ya secretary obiyan e ma na gwali ki mo da e so ma gele kin ma ya mu da sheti ma me ma ya re ma na emi ma ya fe ogun
e ma ne mi e ma kin la ke wash night ya na
ya na mi go ya na 50 so na de 300 ne so me na no so na ke
wash night ya na de 150 ne wash
me na wa pu dia na te so me na wa
Mudiao wa mudiane e David wa yo ne governor una hey iyan pagun ugwa we ne governor unu wa na
eni be no gwana comfort ojo eni ne governor uni ma aga mi ije mi sigori ni ma that okay mu da she doge atori go ni ma no re kebe ne mi ekin cause every year kebe ne mi ekin ke gare sheti no people ne mi ke gare sheti no super ne mi ke gare sheti okay to what ne mi ke gare sheti ah cause kele governor mu da ibe there e said ni ma je yes e said olupo ke said ke ma je e come the one we there ma ya na be areba so ma kwa kuma ko to lo se ya se ji na ye awe ko ho we se baba we se
very firstly hey it's okay very firstly let me quickly brief us what is happening here this morning. These are market women who lost their property as a result of the Ifanu that took place in various markets in Edo State. Now, these women have openly agreed that the promises made by the Obaseki administration to alleviate their plight was actually done. That the governor made provisions for all their valuable resources, but with the information that they are getting right now, some persons are taking an advantage of the situation to satisfy their personal self at the detriment of the women. And the primary reason why they decide to come in today to Government House is to address the governor with the development, because the governor cannot be everywhere. The governor might not be aware of what is going on right now, so the need for them to draw the attention of the governor to this particular activities by some selected individual who wants to benefit from their collective efforts at their own detriment. Now, today, the message is very clear. Seki actually fulfilled such promise, but some persons who these women believe are enemies of Edo are not taking an advantage of this situation. So you can hear from them directly. They have been able to speak extensively, and I just want to grant an interview with a man who decided to make himself available. Can you address who is this man?
Lisa.
Okay.
This woman is a witness.
Okay.
She has a very special information.
Okay. Now and please do not castigate anybody. Yes. Not insult anybody, not call person bad name. Just speak. They say the truth as it be.
Good morning to everybody. I'm here to good morning to Obama market traders. I'm here to thank our governor, Obaseki. I'm here to thank him very well because it is not easy for somebody to come to somebody's aid because something happened to us, the markets. We heard that when I was at home, I didn't even know what happened. They called me that my shop is ablaze. When I went there, everything burned down to ashes. I didn't even know what happened. So getting to our notice that governor called us, they said, don't worry, that they should fill form, they will do this, they will do that. And to my notice, they brought form, they said we should fill form. We fill the form, they said it's for loan. I look at it, I say, how can I collect loan by this time? Because 4 days after I lost my husband died June 16. The market got burnt June 20th. So my husband have a shop, me myself I have a shop. We have 3 shops in Oba Market, and everything. There's no pin out of it. It would not pick pin out of the shops. So when they bring this form, they say we should fill this form. I was happy. I said it's loan. They say yes. They say no payment. They say we collect no interest. I was so happy. I said I can pay back by after 1 year. So after I filled the form, they submitted everything. They have to call me to say to place my BVN on. I gave them my BVN because that I'm still at home. So I brought my BVN, I gave them. They said everything is okay. They said after much they will call us. My BVN was included, my account number and this thing. They said everything they collected is NEPA bill. We give them. So after much more, they called us. I was at home I was at home on Monday. Somebody called me, said, Mama Chuso, where are you? I said, I'm at home. He said they are giving us money. The governor have remembered us. I was so happy. I danced throughout. I said, what happened? I said, have you collected? They said, I've collected now. The next morning, come and collect your own. Got in there, they were so crowded. They saw me, they said, come and take your money. I went there, they issued a receipt for me. They said, you go to the bank, Trust Fund Bank. Got in there, I saw many boys that they were collecting their money. All of them were happy. They said, look at that one you bet. Some of them will look at it and say, 250 on their phone. I said, 250, what are they doing? I didn't even talk. I sit down there, I didn't even talk. I said, let me collect my own and see what happened. When I collected my own, I saw they paid me 200,000, 250, total 250. I said, am I collecting this money to pay back? Because I don't have money, I cannot collect loan. I don't have money to pay, I don't have money to pay, to collect 100,000 to pay back 250. The cashier laughed at me, say, madam, now what for you? I said, I wish I'd been award for you. He said, this money were given to people by the government. This 250, the actual money they say to share for individual. But when I asked, I said, why are you not paying me 100,000? He said, what did they write in your receipt? I said, it's 100,000. I said, hey, it's the money that your market leader instructed to give you people. That's the money we give you people. I said, how can she give us 100,000 when our state government give us 250 to share for individual? That's why I say I will come here to tell the world. They should ask EMC to give me my money. And my late husband shop got burned. EMC say, who don't die, don't die. Say, you cannot give me my late husband. Maureen made that comment with her own mouth. Say, who don't die, don't die. They will not give my late husband money. But that shop, I know goods, what in that shop. So they should, that's why I said, let me. Maureen, it's Maureen I'm talking to. Maureen was the person that issued that check to me. It's not even check, paper. That is not check. It's teller. So that is why I said, let me tell the masses to help me to beg Maureen and Obas and Yeki to bring back my money and my late husband money because I have 3 children. I'm the only one left to take care of them. So with that money, we go a long way. Look at the check they gave us. Look at the paper. This is the paper they gave us. This one now, look at it. Okay, this one is 50,000. The owner of this one now, when he went to the bank, they said they will not pay. They will stop payment. No payment again. Many of them have not collected this money. They're calling different people names. About more than thousands of people that are gathered there. They call all the whole names. More than 20 people. Nobody answers. It's different names they are calling. They issue the name on themselves. They are benefiting their family and their people. But you bring out our money. That's how we are here. If enough is enough.
I don't. What's your name?
My name is Adoris Eze.
For me, I just want to round up my activities. In fact, this is my own statement. Hold on. This is my own statement. How on earth will some persons be benefiting from the effort of others? Now, look at, from the pains, that, let me thank you for the correction, for the pains of others. Look at people who have goods more than 1 million, 500,000, millions, and at the end of the day, the government said, let's come in as a palliative to assist these people. This same set of people who are receiving this money on behalf of these people never thought it wise that people were in pain. they are benefiting from the sweat of this. When we say blood money, it does not necessarily mean that you must go and kill somebody to make money. This kind of situation is still a blood money. It's still a blood money. So, by the power of God, thank you for coming. And I know that the government of Edo State will look into this issue. Obaseki is a lieutenant governor, and thank God today you have ITV and other medias here. As I'm talking to you now, the world is watching. It's just a live one. It's the world is watching you now. So, who is the Iyeki? I don't know her. I don't know if it is the one I know. Listen, yeah, get it clearly. It's not Mama Blackie. No. That is what I want, because I know the only person I know is Mama Blackie. So you still have another one. Now, hold on. This is.
Let me see walking
Hold on.
Blackie.
Excuse me. There is a Latin terminology that states, you might not understand me. Nemo Judas incasesua. No man shall be a judge in his own case. Audio therapy, you must hear directly from the party first before judging. We will not just come and crucify Yemisi or whatever name you call her. We will hear from her as well. We will investigate this issue and will bring it to the notice of the public. If your money is with her, your money will be paid fully. That is what. Get it clearly, I am not a spokesperson to the governor, but I felt your pain and I have to speak independently as a comrade. So what I said to you is not a statement of Edo State government, it is a statement from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. But on my part, by the power of God, we'll follow this issue to the end and your money will be paid. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, Yawa. No Yawa. No Yawa. No Yawa. No Yawa. PDP more work butter. Obaseki more work butter. Obaseki more work butter. Women more work butter. Women more work butter. Market women more work butter. Market women more work butter. 4 plus 4. 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 Thank you very much. Why worry? I remember my humble self, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. Now, I lead that one now, no. Call our number so that we will follow up the matter. Okay, I agree the house.
Abeg, help us share this video to friends and family and let us know what you think concerning everything where these women don't talk now. These Oba market women don't talk. Go to comment section, make you put them for there. Thank you.